Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to clear all cache and cookies in your Chrome browser. First open Chrome browser, click on these three dots, then click on Settings. You will see this page, then click on Privacy and Security, and here you will see Delete browsing data. Click on that and click on Basic, select Time Range, All Time, and I don't want to delete browsing data, and if you wish you can do it. And as you know, my browse my cache and images are 19 MB. Click on Advanced, select Time Range, All Time, and then click on Delete Data. Wait a little time to finish. This will fast your Chrome browser too. It will take a little time, and it's done. Thanks for watching.